Hello everyone. 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Korean Uncle. 저는 코리안 엉클입니다. This time, I will do chapter 2 of the difference between Korean and English. Are you ready? Let's get started. This content is a necessary concept to understand Korean sentences. I will explain it easily in an example sentence without difficult terms. Look at the English example sentence on the left. I will read it. Jane likes nice friend. Nice friend likes Jane. We can see what the subject, verb, object are in these sentences. In English, the meaning of a sentence is different depending on the position of the word. We call this type of isolating language. So, what type of Korean is it? Look at the Korean example sentence on the right. I will read it. 제이는 착한 친구를 좋아해. This sentence is made up subject, object, predicate. Next. 착한 친구를 제이는 좋아해. This sentence is made up object, subject, predicate structure. Look at the two sentences. What's the difference? The structure of this sentence is different. But the first sentence and the second sentence have the same meaning. Why? In Korean, it becomes the subject if you attach a marker such as 은, 는, 이, 가. And if you add a marker 을, 를, it becomes the object. Even if you change the location, the meaning is the same. We call this type of agglutinating language. Okay, how about this? It's amazing. You know the structure of Korean, right? I think it is important for you to understand the characteristics of Korean before you start in elementary level. That's good. Let's move on to the next one. Next, we will learn about Korean pronunciation. Look at the picture on the left. This picture is where the consonants are pronounced. Remember how you learn and practice until Unit 6. Every time you make one sound, it will sound in your mouth or nose. Look at the picture and think about the pronounced position and say it accordingly. Listen carefully and speak. 그, 느, 그, 르, 무, 스, 즈, 츠, 크, 트, 흐. Excellent. It can be seen that near sounds from the nose or mouth at the same time. Look at the picture on the right. This picture shows the position of the tongue. When you pronounce vowels in your mouth, it's pretty complicated, right? I know it's hard to get you to practice it because Korean and your mother tongue are different. It's not easy to pronounce while thinking about the location of your town. So, I'm not going to learn this part in elementary level. Our goal is to learn general Korean at elementary level and get used to Korean language. We have studied the characteristics of Korean so far. There are probably people who don't understand the content of these classes, but you can easily understand these contents while studying the elementary level. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time. Bye. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.